It is with immense joy and pride that I welcome you to today's celebration of a transformative moment for Ivy Tech Community College and for the greater Indianapolis community. I'm honored to stand here today as we officially unveil the new Manufacturing Innovation Training Center.
We at Ivy Tech are thrilled to cut the ribbon on this state-of-the-art facility, which will serve as the biopharmaceutical training center for Lilly and other companies working to make the medicines, the treatments, the devices, and the products that will meet the world's needs.
This lab is a culmination of 3 years of vision and hard work and persistence to bring this to reality.
Outfitted and fully automated with integrated training systems from Amatrol, the world's leader in skills-based training. We've partnered with Amatrol for so many years, but to see the quality that they bring.
And I'm super impressed. I mean, I knew it was gonna be cutting edge. I am really impressed. As I walk in, I was like, wow, this clearly exceeded my expectations. So.
This is an opportunity to skill up traditional students as well as upskill workforce for companies like Eli Lilly in Industry 4.0 competencies. These are the skills of the future. This is where manufacturing is going, and Ivy Tech has committed to Eli Lilly to build a 1,000-person talent pipeline over the next 5 years.
So there's sensors here that's pulling data.
For Lilly, it provides the next generation of highly talented workforce that will enable us to help more people around the world. We are proud to be part of this initiative and confident that it will be a lasting impact on our industry and our community.
This training center with Amatrol's Industry 4.0 systems will be the training equipment for that either certificate or associate degree earned by many Ivy Tech students to fill that talent pipeline.
It will provide our students with the hands-on experiences that they need to excel in high-demand careers, ensuring that they are prepared to lead in an ever-evolving industry.
I am in the AART program. I'm working on PLCs and the robots. It's exciting. There's all kinds of things to play with in here. It's like a bunch of toys. It's fun.
While supported by Eli Lilly, the skills learned in this center support careers not only in pharmaceutical manufacturing, but a wide range of manufacturing, including electronic vehicles and semiconductors.
These are exactly the skills and competencies that companies in Central Indiana need to thrive and grow. Together, we are removing barriers to great careers that will transform families and uplift entire communities.